Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Experts, where we talk about the latest cryptocurrency news and take a look at the markets so that we all know exactly what is happening. My name is Jess, and today's stream is a little bit later than usual because we've been doing some maintenance and some upgrading on the Crypto Saving Expert website, but Crypto Saving Expert Plus is now officially live. This is the thing we've been talking about here on the channel for so long right now, so let's show you what we have in store. Now, all we need to do is go to cryptosavingexpert.com, and when you do, you can see we have a new tab here at the top and it says CSE Plus. Now, if we click that, you get to see what we've got in these plans for you guys. We've built this up massively and we offer a whole lot more than we used to here. So we are talking unlimited access to cryptocurrency courses. We are looking at a CSE Discord group. All by upgrading your account here, you get access to these extra things here. We also have one-to-one support. We can have calls with experts if you're a CSE Plus member. We also get exclusive market reports from TMG and weekly market reports there as well. So we've got loads of good stuff in here. We will be running through the different tiers we have at Crypto Saving Expert Plus towards the end of today's stream. First of all, we are going to take a look at the cryptocurrency news and we'll analyze the price of Bitcoin. As always, we'll stay in the normal routine, but at the end, we'll be running through Crypto Saving Expert Plus and seeing what extra we have to offer. If you cannot wait till the end of today's stream, then just jump straight over to cryptosavingexpert.com and you'll be able to see the new updates that we've made. We've all been working very, very hard on this for a very long period of time. So today's a very rewarding day to see it all live for you guys to enjoy. We've been testing this on the development side for a couple of weeks now, making sure it's all perfect. So we've updated it all for you massively. Please make sure to go and check it out. A lot of work has gone into it, so it'd be nice for you to all reap the rewards of our hard work, essentially. Let's see what's going on in the cryptocurrency news. First of all, we have stake.com have actually been targeted and they have had a $40 million exploit, apparently, according to this CoinDesk article here. So you can see cryptocurrency casinos stake appears to have been targeted by an exploit, with on-chain an analyst reporting that $16 million has been withdrawn on the Ethereum network following a private key leak. So Zach XBT, a famous sleuth on cryptocurrency Twitter, or cryptocurrency X I should say, backed up the claim, stating that $15.7 million had been drained on Ethereum and another $25.6 million had been lost across Polygon and the Binance Smart Chain there. Now, a lot of you will know that stake.com are a massive sponsor of the BitBoy cryptocurrency channel, the channel that's been getting a lot of attention in the last week. We did discuss that a couple of days ago. I don't think we need to go into too much detail about that. We all know what's happening right now with the BitBoy YouTube channel. BitBoy has been removed from the channel for the time being. He has made a video explaining what happened. He's been cheating on his wife. He's been taking steroids. He's not relapsed in the sense that he's taken drugs that he used to take, but he has unfortunately had to take a step away from the channel because of some of his actions, and we can see clearly there on the YouTube channel, obviously this is a bit of a side note there, that his actions have changed in the last couple of months, so hopefully he gets back on track and he can come back to the cryptocurrency community and we can all enjoy his content once again. But let's take a look at what else we've got in the cryptocurrency news here. So we are seeing that we have Ethereum staking services to implement 22% limit to all validators. Before we get into this article, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. What we are seeing here is there's going to be a 22% limit to validators, who would mean that at least 4 large staking entities would need to conspire to take control of the network. So basically this limit reduces the amount of control that one entity can have over the Ethereum networks. This is trying to protect itself, the network as a whole. So why 22%? So this limit is actually strategic. If you want more information on that, I would recommend going over to that article. I'm not going to bore you all with that today, but I'll drop the link to that article in today's chat. Let's see what's going on in the chat today. Abu says, that sounds great. Anders said, good afternoon, all DJs. Robert Curry says, hello, good evening. Apologies for today's late stream, but we've been busy publishing Crypto Saving Expert Plus. If you weren't all here at the start of today's stream, Crypto Saving Expert Plus is officially live. This is the thing I've been talking about on these live streams for weeks now, saying something's coming, but I can't tell you what. And now I can tell you what, and even better, I can show you what. On cryptosavingexpert.com, you can see, if you go to the CSE Plus tab, tab, you can see all of the extra features we are bringing to the website. We are talking unlimited course access, community Discord access, market analysis reports, exclusive market analysis reports from TMG, special offers and deals, community competitions, early newsletter access, and lots of other good stuff as well. And you can even see a sneak peek here at the bottom. Those that sign up to Community Plus get a £75 CSE merch store gift card, and those that sign up to Premium get a £125 CSE merch store gift card. So there is a CSE merch store coming very soon as well. The secret for that is out. We will be going into detail about what services Crypto Saving Expert Plus provides in just a second. But first of all, we're going to run through the latest cryptocurrency news and keep up to date with that. Before we continue today's stream, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. We have a quote from CZ here in the news saying that DeFi will be 5 to 10 times larger than CeFi. So this was in an AMA and Ask Me Anything, and Binance's CEO CZ commented on several areas of crypto, particularly highlighting DeFi as one of the areas that he thinks is going to massively grow within the next couple of years. So we can see that CZ has said in the AMA that Uniswap's latest judgment case is very positive. DeFi is the future and will be 5 to 10 times the size of CeFi. So Uniswap has recently won a lawsuit case. So we are all seeing positive things about DeFi in the news right now. A lot of good stuff going on here, and a lot of us are anticipating that we could be seeing a bull market next year. And with that excitement, I'm sure DeFi could grow pretty nicely. But let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news here. Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. Here we have Robinhood spend $605.7 million to buy back SBF shares from the US government. So obviously SBF was the former CEO of FTX, the cryptocurrency exchange that went down in November 2022. They filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and the Robinhood shares were seized by the US government after FTX and SBF, Emergent Fidelity Technologies, filed for bankruptcy last year. Now, Robinhood have decided to buy back those HUD shares to get those back off the US government. They don't want the US government holding those. So we are seeing $605.7 million going to the US government there in exchange for those Robinhood shares. So we can see here that Robinhood is the third largest Bitcoin holder. So news of Robinhood's purchase plan of emergent $55.3 million Robinhood stock comes less than a week after Arkham Intelligence revealed that the trading platform was the third largest Bitcoin holder. Data from the on-chain analytics firm shows that Robinhood holds an estimated 118.3 thousand Bitcoin, and that is valued at just over $3 billion. Its Bitcoin holdings are third to Binance and Bitfinex, so massive holdings there from Robinhood. Let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news today. Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. And if you want to be one of the first to get access to Crypto Saving Expert Plus, make sure to go over to the Crypto Saving Expert website, cryptosavingexpert.com/CSE Plus, or just press that tab at the top there and you get access to all of the information, what's included in Community Plus membership and what's included in Premium membership, and how you can take advantage of all of those things as well. We will be doing a deep dive into this at the end of today's stream, so make sure to stay tuned. If you can't wait, just head over to cryptosavingexpert.com and check out for yourself. But let's see what else is going on here in the cryptocurrency news. Some pretty disappointing news here, first of all. So we have Bitwise withdraws spot Bitcoin ETF application. This is one of the applications that came after BlackRock applied for theirs. First of all, we saw, Grayscale have been in a lawsuit with the SEC for a while over their spot Bitcoin ETF. And then when BlackRock applied, a load of other institutions and companies applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF as well. One of those being Bitwise. And now we've actually seen, although Grayscale did win that lawsuit against the SEC, Bitwise have chosen to withdraw their application. So they've said the trust no longer intends to seek effectiveness of the funds, and no securities of the fund were sold or will be sold pursuant to the above mentioned post-effective amendment to the trust's registration statement. So they haven't actually given a reason as to why they've withdrawn this application, but we do know if they want to make another U-turn on this and they do actually want to create a spot Bitcoin ETF eventually, they will now need to reapply for that spot Bitcoin ETF, and they will have to wait another 240 days to get a verdict from the SEC. So that would be a long process for Bitwise, maybe something that they aren't expecting to be doing in the near future there. But we have seen some positive news, first of all. Analysts at Bloomberg have predicted that 75% of spot Bitcoin ETF applications will be approved in 2023. So it seems a bit strange that Bitwise have withdrawn this application. There's a lot of competition that have entered the market in the last couple of weeks, but we are seeing discussions about simultaneous acceptance of spot Bitcoin ETFs. So Bitwise were in the runnings to get ahead of that and take advantage of that first mover advantage and get into the market in that first wave of spot Bitcoin ETFs. But unusually, they have withdrawn their application. Maybe we will hear more about that, or maybe we will never know why they've chosen to do so, but hopefully none of the others follow suit. That would be pretty devastating for the cryptocurrency space. Let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news now. Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. And if you have not already, make sure to go check out CSE Plus. We have launched this today. We'll be running through all of the services at the end of today's stream, so make sure to stay tuned. There is always going to be a free section there on Crypto Saving Expert as well. So if you don't want to sign up to Crypto Saving Expert Plus, you will be missing out, but you will still be able to use the website. Let's see what's going on in this article here. So Elon Musk has been secretly funding Dogecoin development, according to the Wall Street Journal. So X, which was formerly known as Twitter, is owned by Elon Musk now, and he wants to make X the everything app. He has gained the rights, the licenses, that's what the word I'm looking for, to actually make payments on the X platform in many different regions. And we are now seeing reports from the Wall Street Journal stating that Tesla CEO has done more for the Dogecoin ecosystem than previously thought. We are also seeing that X received legal clearance from the US state of Rhode Island to provide its users with crypto wallet services, including sending, receiving, and their custody. So with all of this information together, does this mean that Doge is going to be the token for the everything app created by Elon Musk, X? This is the hype that is being created right now. A lot of people are getting excited about this. We've all known that Elon Musk has been a big fan of Dogecoin for a very long time. So this has been highly anticipated, but the more proof that comes, the more excited people get. Let's see if we can find Dogecoin in here. Dogecoin today has seen a slight move to the downside, 0.56% within the last 24 hours. So we have seen a little bit of excitement last week, but overall, Doge is not too happy with this move to the downside, with this bear market. It has had some negative effects on the price of Doge there, as expected. Let's reset this price scale here so we can see what's going on. So Doge here obviously saw a massive high in the previous bull market, has been on a bit of a downtrend. We did see a nice move to the upside when there was some meme coin excitement earlier towards the end of last year and earlier this year. But overall, Doge isn't performing too well. So can Elon Musk cause a surge in the price of Doge? That's the question we're seeing right now. This indicator is stating that maybe it is a sell on the bigger time frames. It's looking like a buy on the 1 minute time frame, but overall, things aren't looking too bullish for Doge according to this indicator. Let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news then. And before we forget, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. What we have here is Ripple Labs opposes the SEC's motion for interlocutory appeal. So the only supposed substantial ground for disagreement is the Commission's dissatisfaction with the court's application of the Howey test, according to Ripple Labs. So what we've seen here is Ripple have been in a lawsuit with the SEC since December 2020. Ripple won a decision in court just a couple of weeks ago. Now, when we see a decision in court in the middle of the lawsuit is not over. So we don't actually always have the rights to appeal certain decisions within that lawsuit. So the SEC have said, look, we would quite like to appeal this decision from the court, but Ripple have said, you only want to appeal with it because you don't like the answer. But they still, both parties do have the right to appeal this once the lawsuit has finished, but the lawsuit is not yet over. We just saw a mid-lawsuit win, essentially, in the courts for Ripple. So there's still a long way to go with this, and it does look like the SEC is trying to stand their ground. So it could be that when the lawsuit does finally come to an end, if the SEC are not a clear winner, they could be planning to appeal that decision. We are still waiting to see also if the SEC try and appeal the decision for a spot Bitcoin ETF from Grayscale. Now, they won that lawsuit last week, and the SEC have 45 days to appeal that. So we're waiting nervously on the edge of our seats there. Obviously, that wouldn't be a very good news for crypto if we did see the SEC appeal that decision. It would, in my opinion, just kick the can down the road and leave the problem for a later date, because I do think these things are inevitable. But we'll have to see how that plays out. 45 days, not long to go. We're already a week in. We can do it. It wouldn't be unlike the SEC to wait till the last day though and cause the most amount of pain, but we'll see. Let's take a look at the next one here. The former SEC chairman has been more positive about this. He has said that the approval of Bitcoin ETFs is inevitable. Definitely a nice report to be reading here. The former SEC chairman, Jay Clayton, said the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF is inevitable, and the SEC may announce its decision in mid-October, or it may take more time, but progress in this regard is expected in the future. So definitely a nice big win there. Very positive news for the cryptocurrency space. Before we forget, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the latest cryptocurrency news. What we have next is Gala Games CEO and co-founder filed lawsuits against each other. Now, this is one of the worst looks for a company you could ever imagine. The co-founder and CEO filing lawsuits against each other is not what investors want to see. And because of that, we've seen a 74% decline in the price of Gala token this year. Well, not just because of that, but we have seen a move to the downside this year, and we are now seeing moves to the downside as a result of this. So Wu Blockchain tweeted that they have accused Thurston of illegally obtaining and selling $130 million worth of Gala tokens, and Thurston accused the other of wasting millions of dollars in company assets and engaging in fraudulent practices that harmed the company. So a big feud that's going on here in the public eye and massively negatively impacting the price of their project's token, Gala, as well. Very disappointing to see from Gala holders and investors. Not what we want to see as investors in the cryptocurrency space, and yet another story that is making the cryptocurrency ecosystem just seem illegitimate, and that is not what I like to see. We're trying to build an industry that can grow and develop and we can gain adoption in. Then we see stories like this and you just think, come on, we need to work together here and build the space forward and not have public feuds like this. And they shouldn't be doing these things in the first place if these allegations are true. Let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news. Before we forget, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. We've got a couple more news stories here today, and then we'll be analysing the price of Bitcoin, and we'll be checking out the new features on Crypto Saving Expert as of today. So we have here London Stock Exchange to build blockchain-based trading platform for TradFi. So although the UK has been making its regulation a lot stricter in the next couple of months, what we are seeing is the London Stock Exchange adopting blockchain technology and building blockchain-based trading platforms for traditional assets. So the platform will not facilitate the trading of cryptocurrencies, but it will just utilize blockchain technology. So the potential of blockchain technology popularized by Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum has interested institutions willing to tap the underlying technology for other mainstream purposes. And this is a benefit, we have to say. Although they aren't listing cryptocurrencies, which would be absolutely amazing, instead we are seeing blockchain technology being adopted and used in other ways. And this is what we're all here for. Now, obviously, in the cryptocurrency space, we have Bitcoin maximalists who think Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that's going to survive. And then we have people that invest in altcoins. And altcoins are projects that understand the use case of blockchain technology. And they take that blockchain technology and they adapt it to work in different industries, essentially. And now even the London Stock Exchange have said, we understand blockchain technology. We understand the benefits that it provides. We're going to take that technology and we're going to use it for some good here. So it's nice to see that they are identifying these and seeing the advantages that we have. Let's see what else we've got in the cryptocurrency news today. We are seeing that Gala Games collapse shows viralities and opportunity in GameFi. We are seeing shifts in GameFi right now. GameFi is a category of cryptocurrency that performed very, very well in the previous bull market. Something we are hoping to see continue in the next bull market, if we have one, which I highly anticipate we do. GameFi is an industry that gains a lot of attention when the markets are high because the tokens are worth more, so people are playing with more money, and that just brings a lot more excitement into the cryptocurrency space. Let's see what else is going on into the cryptocurrency news. Please don't forget, before we continue, to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss it. What we are going to do right now is show you around Crypto Saving Expert Plus. So you can see here on Crypto Saving Expert, we have brought out Crypto Saving Expert Plus. Now you can pay for this annually or you can pay for this monthly, and we've got a huge amount of services to offer here. We are over delivering for you guys. What we've got is unlimited course access for Community Plus members. We've got community Discord access. We've got market analysis reports. We've got special offers and deals. I mean, I'm sure you can read the rest. And the most important ones, I think, for you guys are the exclusive market reports from TMG and the community Discord and the unlimited course access. But there are lots of benefits in there as well. And the £75 CSE merch store gift card. And that is the spoiler that we have a merch store coming very, very soon. So to sign up for this, go to upgrade. And when you do that, you will be taken to Stripe. We do also offer to be paid in Bitcoin as well. If you want to be paying in cryptocurrency, that is absolutely fine, and that is available on the Crypto Saving Expert website. So you can sign up there. We have a 7-day free trial for Community Plus members, and we also have a premium service here as well. And the benefits of that is you get one-to-one calls with the experts here at Crypto Saving Expert. So that's the impressive updates of the day, and we will be going through Crypto Saving Expert Plus in a lot more detail in just a second, but we've got 2 more articles here to go. So we have Bitcoin's historical performance in September. Now, this is not known to be a good month for crypto. So September is known to be a red month for cryptocurrency. We've seen it over and over again. If we take a look at this article here, you can see Bitcoin opened trading on the 1st of September 2010 at 6 cents, and the same level it closed the month, with the price reaching a high of approximately 18 cents. That was a win. But by 2011, we'd seen a gain. If we take a look at this, do we have an article here? Now, what I'm going to bring up instead here is the monthly returns for Bitcoin, and I think CoinGlass have a chart up in here. So if we take a look at the monthly returns for Bitcoin on this chart right here, you can see that September has historically not been a very good month for Bitcoin. We could also take a look at Ethereum on this website, I believe. Let's see if we can find that. Here we go. Ethereum quarterly return. Oh no, here we go. Ethereum. If we take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum hasn't historically had a good month in September. Now, obviously, this is throughout both bull markets and bear markets. So it's not a brilliant sign. If we take a look at the price of Bitcoin in the quarterly returns, though, Q4 is typically more positive than negative. So although it may be a bumpy ride in September, hopefully Q4 is a little bit more positive. Let's see what else is going on in the cryptocurrency news. In fact, it's now time to take a look at CSE Plus. So let's take a look at what's in store here. What we are offering for you is Crypto Saving Expert Plus, our new services. It has launched today, so make sure you are one of the first to get access to all of this information. What we are providing here is something that we can't really see elsewhere in the markets. We've tried to build basically what we've seen in the markets is people come into cryptocurrency and they are very, very confused of where to start. I mean, I came into cryptocurrency very, very confused on where to start, and it feels like in the olden days, when you wanted to learn about a subject, you could find information about it and slowly learn. But what's happening now is there's so much information out there. It's so hard to decide what to follow, and it's really difficult to find a structured learning program to learn about the cryptocurrency space from a beginner to an expert, because it's just overwhelming with how much information is out there. So what we've done first of all is we've created a structured learning plan for you guys to learn about the cryptocurrency space, whether you're you are a beginner, whether you are an expert, we have courses over there. So if you go to the courses tab on cryptosavingexpert.com right now, you will see we have some extra categories here. And these ones that have plus on the top corner, those are the ones that you get as a Crypto Saving Expert Plus member. Now, the ones that I am most interested in, obviously, is the blockchain development courses here. So you get to learn the language of Solidity. That is the programming language used on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. You can learn how to create smart contracts in Solidity. You can understand the coding language. You can then build a multi-sig wallet to help test your knowledge. You could also create a meme coin using our courses. And then you can learn about a reentrancy attack. Now, this is an attack that we see very commonly in the cryptocurrency space. You can learn about that attack and make sure that you don't have that vulnerability in any of your smart contracts that you create, thanks to our courses here on the Crypto Saving Expert website. So that's just one category in the Crypto Saving Expert Plus section. If you aren't interested in development, do not worry, because we've got other things here for you. We've got courses where you can learn about bull markets and bear markets, on-chain data. You can learn about futures trading. You can learn how to trade the order book. We've got options trading information there as well. We've got loads of courses in that market mastery course there as well. And another one which I wanted to discuss is the creativity tab. So here you can learn how to build your own hardware wallets. And I've got one right here, actually. This is the outcome. This is the product that you are making within that course. And obviously they are all very detailed and explain things very, very well. So make sure to check that out if you have not already. That is just the course section of Crypto Saving Expert Plus. We've got even more to come from that. That is just one aspect of Crypto Saving Expert Plus. We have also got in there our community Discord. Now, our community Discord is something that's going to grow massively within the next couple of weeks. TMG is moving his community over to Community Discord. He's going to be in that chat. He's going to be discussing what he thinks about the markets. We're going to see exclusive market reports in there as well. We are also going to have market analysis reports from the analysts here at Crypto Saving Experts, so you can hear some differing opinions. You don't need to just listen to one person. You can have a look at them all and see for yourself which opinion you agree with and which one you disagree with, and that'll help you question why you're having some opinions and help you develop your understanding of the cryptocurrency space. We obviously also have that £75 CSE merch store gift card or a £125 CSE merch store gift card, and that is going to be able to be used very, very soon. Crypto Saving Expert merch store is launching very, very soon. As you can see, we're having a huge amount of updates this month. Very, very exciting times to be part of Crypto Saving Expert Plus. You can also see we get early newsletter access as a Community Plus member and some other benefits as well, like community competitions. So if you have not been convinced right now that Crypto Saving Expert Plus is worth it, why not try out our 7-day free trial for Community Premium and see what you think. We've got lots to offer here though, and we have really tried to change the cryptocurrency space. What I would like to do actually is pull up what TMG has just put in his trading group here. So let me see if I can pull this up onto the screen for you guys. In fact, I think this is possible. If I want to hide my other messages on here first. Here we go. So let me pull up this for you so we can all see what I can see here. I think that maybe this isn't the best idea. Maybe I'll read it out to you instead. So what TMG has said in his Telegram group is the new version of Crypto Saving Expert has just gone live. So as I've just discussed, you can learn how to create your own hardware wallet. You can learn how to create your own cryptocurrency, how to create your own meme coin. We can really level you up on your cryptocurrency knowledge. Now, if you are a beginner looking to get into the space, or you know beginners wanting to get into the space, we've got structured learning programs so you can learn from the basics what the cryptocurrency industry is, what blockchain is, what the tokenomics mean for a project, what projects you should avoid and what projects you should maybe not avoid, what you should look at when you're investing into a project, and how to do your due diligence. You can also learn about how to invest during a bear market and how to be profitable during the bear market. We've got loads of skills that we can teach you here in these cryptocurrency courses. We've got a huge amount of cryptocurrency experts here Crypto Saving Expert that are putting these courses together for you. We also obviously have the cryptocurrency news that is available for you all of the time. If we go over to this section as well, you can see we've got the information guides on the Crypto Saving Expert website, and one new big update that is available for you all as free members as well is the portfolio tracker. So if you go to the markets tab of cryptosavingexpert.com and you go to the portfolio section here, now I think I've added something in, no I've not yet, so here we go. If you create portfolio here, and I'll put my portfolio as my, that's a bit of a boring name, isn't it? We'll put CSE Live, and then we can add tokens here, and not that that was any less boring, but here we go. We can add tokens into our portfolio. So let's say I want to add Bitcoin. Here we go, Bitcoin here. I'm going to add a transaction. Now the price is currently 25,841 and I'm going to buy 10. So what we're going to do there is press submit, and you can see I can now track the value of my portfolio on Crypto Saving Expert's website. So the price, as the price fluctuates, you'll be able to see what your profit and loss has been from that investment, and you can track all of your favorite cryptocurrencies on here. Also, you can edit those transactions, you can delete them. Now I have just bought 10 Bitcoin, so I am going to delete that from my portfolio, and maybe one day I'll be able to add it in. But lots of exciting things coming from Crypto Saving Expert Plus. I think you should all just go over to there and check it out for yourself, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed with a 7-day free trial. How can you refuse? But that is really the update we have for you guys today, so thank you very much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have enjoyed. Let me check out the chat quickly here. So Dylan says, how does Jess not get more views than this? YouTube is mean. YouTube is very, very mean. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button, and share the stream with your friends to help me as much as possible. Scott, good afternoon. Thank you very much for tuning in. Henshaw says, congratulations to the CSE team for the launch of the new CSE Plus. Well done, Jess. Thank you very much. So we are seeing some questions about Stake being hacked. Yes, we did report at the start of today's stream. Let me pull that up for you guys very, very quickly now. So stake.com has been hacked allegedly for $41 million. Now somebody says, who hacked it? BitBoy. BitBoy is a massive sponsor, and stake.com are a massive sponsor of the BitBoy channel. Now BitBoy's gone, stake.com's been hacked. Absolute chaos over there on that side of cryptocurrency, but we will stay tuned on that news. As I said though, that is all we have for today's stream, so thank you very much for tuning in. As always, I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you all back here tomorrow with another cryptocurrency